Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are excited as I am, because as you get from the title, in today's video we're doing our full face makeup speaking only patois. I have no idea why I'm talking too fast. I'm just trying to get through this video because I don't know, I'm just excited to film. I haven't filmed in a while and it feels like forever, even though I'm always playing with makeup constantly throughout the day. It's just crazy, but I'm really excited to film today's video. And just before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I know I said I'm speaking Patois in this video, but Guyana is not the only country to speak Patois. There's Trinidadian and Jamaican that also speak Patois. Lots of countries speak Patois. I don't know, I only know Trinidadian and Jamaican. So I just want to let you guys know that if you speak Patois but you're not Guyanese and you're like, okay, this is not how you speak Patois, or this is not how you say this word or do something or say something, it's because we all do it differently, honey. And just this is like a disclaimer, I guess, because I don't want anybody in my comment box be like, yeah, you're doing it wrong, you're doing this wrong, you're saying this wrong. And so let's get started.
So first time I have to use some primer. I already put moisturizer up on my face, and you have to put primer. This primer does smooth your skin and it make your skin look nice and smooth, and it fill all them big hole like pore rig up in your skin. And this all not a primer. This one I fill all them pore too. And this one of my favorite primer. I use this one steady because me no want it done. And me tell you guys this already, that this one really nice. Now I'm gonna take some scotch tape and I'm gonna put them underneath my eye. This gonna make my eyeshadow look straight in one big straight line. And this really nice if you don't know how to do your eyeshadow. But it also nice if you just want to put eyeshadow. Then I'll be going with this no filter concealer from Colourpop, and I'm gonna put this all over my eye, and using my beauty blender sponge, I'm gonna blend that out. Then I'm going to use my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. I'm going to use that really brown color and put them all over on my lid. That's my translucent shade. This, you have to put translucent shade before you do your eyeshadow. People don't know that. People just put glitter on them eye like they head no good. Then I'm going to use this darker shade, and this one not a brown now, but this one more black. So then I'm going to put this in the crease of my eye, and this going to help my eye just look good and look good and look good. And you have to blend them properly. So just apply them. And now this palette me get on a dollar store. I'm going to use a black, and this one called Last Call. I'm going to use a black, then now and put them inside my eye. That pigment is real. Oh my god. You have to buy this one. I don't know if you get them from the $2 store, but this is good. You have to make sure you blend, and blend the end good. See how I'm walking in there? Then I'm going to use the same concealer. I'm going to put them in the inner corner of my eye. This me just want to lighten them more, and then I'm going to use a little brush. I'm going to blend them out. But you have to be careful when you put this. You see, I'm going to take my time, and I want to smudge them. I just follow the shape of my own eye, and I'm going to put this all over. But not all over on the eye, just all over in the inner corner. Then I'm going to take this blue color and put them over the concealer. Make the concealer make my eye lighter. Now I'm going to put this blue for make it look more nice. And this blue look really nice with a black. You see that? And then you also have to like blend this a little bit, just at the end corner, so that it can look more smooth and people not going to be frightened you when you walk outside. Then you pull out a tape. Ta-da! See how the line straight and nice? Smell like that. It look like you were eyeliner, but I'm wearing non-eyeliner. Then I'm going to use this NYX foundation. This is one of my favorite foundation. And I'm going to link everything down below so you guys can check it out if I want. But this foundation will cover up every single thing. And the same concealer I'm going to put underneath my eye again. I love this concealer. But you guys know me going not a favorite concealer. I just use all the time. And then I'm going to use my beauty blender. I'm going to just blend that concealer out everywhere. Then a little dry, so I'm going to add some setting spray to it. But this is some fixing spray from Essence Makeup. I'm going to just spray it up on my sponge and then beat my face again. And see how that look white and nice? Just like that I like them. I have to blend them out so you know like a big cake on your face. Then I'm going to use a Stay Matte powder from Rimmel London, and I'm going to use this big powder brush and put this all over my face. I've been not baked today, so I'm going to just put this all over which side I want powder and which side I want to set my face. I have to make sure I put it underneath my eye good. Then I'll be going with a little silver color on a dollar store palette and put them right in the inner corner. Then this I'll go contour now. I will use the brown shade with my bamboo brush from Amazon. Put some, knock them out, put them on a cheek. Look at that. That's nice, right? Me know. But you have to make sure you blend them good though. If you don't blend them good, it not look good. Then I just put that on my cheek, and then I have to me get double chin. So I have to cover up my double chin with plenty contour powder. And see how much contour powder I put there? I just want to cover my double chin. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and I just push everything into my skin because that make your makeup stay on more long. And see how nice he look too? Then I'm going to use some matte bronzing powder from NYX. This one nice. Me love this one. I ain't expensive though, really nice. Me love NYX product them. And I'm going to just bronze my forehead. And then some blush, and this blush is by Tarte, and this blush is the shade Feisty. And yeah, I just use my big brush and I put that on my cheek all over, and I'll be ready for go. But this blush will look nice. Then I'm going to use a Tarte's Pro Glow palette, and I'm going to put them underneath my eye, because you have to use two color. You always have to use two color. Then I'm going to use this eyeliner pencil from Wet n Wild, and I just put that on my waterline. This is going to make your waterline look nice. Now, some mascara, and this one by e.l.f. I mean, I buy this one. Somebody give me this one for my birthday gift. Then some highlight. So this one I'll be going with the Tarte's Pro Glow palette and little fan brush there. So I'm going to apply them all over with some I want to put highlight. If you want to apply them on your forehead, your head, your tongue, anyway, you just put them most of you want. See how nice that look? That's the brightest highlight in this palette. I love this one. Then I have to also highlight my nose because I got a big nose and I want to cover them up. Then I'm going to use this matte lipstick from Essence. I'm going to put them all over on my lip. I love this nude little lipstick. Then I'm going to use this wet lip gloss thing with shimmer in it, and I'm going to put them all over on top of your lip. Me call them lip topper. This is really good for that. And then you're going to make your lip more shiny and get them glitter.
Oh my god, so this is the finished look. As you guys saw, my lip topper is this beautiful champagne. What is the color? It's called Candy Champagne in the shade 31, and I got this from Go Tag Her, I think it was the website called. It did took a while to get here, but when I get here I couldn't really use, I thought this was a pigment glitter liquid lipstick or something like that, but it's just a glitterish gloss, I guess, but it dries up on your lip really fast. So I thought I'll just use it over a lipstick. This is the first time I'm actually using it over a lipstick, and I love it. I really love this look. I love the eyes, and I cannot believe that I got this from the dollar store, and it worked out so beautiful. The pigment in this is better than some of the pigment in my Tarte's Pro Glow palette. I'm not even exaggerating. I love the eye look. I love the face. I love the whole look. I tried keeping the cheek really simple and natural, and I loved it. I also hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial slash patch talking video, I guess. I don't know what to call it. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it as yet, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you do, then comment down below and tell me which part was your favorite. Yep, and that was all I had for you guys. I'll see you guys really soon. Check out my description box. There's some discount code. Follow my social media and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video for more random upcoming videos in the future. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.